The driver in a fatal hit-and-run crash receives the maximum prison sentence today.
Cathy Chatfield was running in a half marathon back in December of 2015. Thomas Stidhum drove off the road, hit her, and then left her for dead. Local 12's Joe Webb was there when he was sentenced.
18 months after the death of Cathy Chatfield, Thomas Stidhum came to court this morning to learn his fate. He was convicted last month for hitting and killing Chatfield on Dorchester Avenue while she was participating in the Seven Hills Run. Prosecutor Charles Thiemann described how Stidhum took the license plates from the car after the crash and ran away, leaving Chatfield for dead. Chatfield's brother and sister argued for the maximum 14-year sentence.
We will never have her with us again. However many years he spends in prison will never be enough to make up for all that we lost.
Judge Sylvia Hendon gave Stidhum a chance to speak. On his lawyer's advice, he chose not to. Before handing down the sentence, Judge Hendon described what Stidhum did here on Dorchester Avenue in detail. She said not offering assistance to an injured Chatfield and then running away was, in her words, the ultimate act of cowardice. She also cited his past record back to when he was 15, a record of reckless driving and wrecks he ran away from.
This was much, much more than a reckless disregard for someone's life. This was a deliberate attempt to avoid the consequences of your actions. As far as the community and its safety is concerned, you are about as dangerous to the community as anybody I can think of.
The judge handed down the maximum 14 years for aggravated vehicular homicide, failure to stop after an accident, and tampering with evidence. Stidhum's family professed his innocence until the end. The innocent. He will get a second chance to prove that on appeal. Joe Webb, Local 12 News.
Thomas Stidhum was on the run for about a month after Chatfield's death. A witness who has also been hard to track down has been located and is expected to play a role in the appeal.